Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to download the Pinterest app on your iPhone, the process is simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, tap the search icon, then type Pinterest in the search bar and press search. From the search results, look for the official Pinterest app, which should have the recognizable Pinterest logo. Once you find it, tap the download button. This will either look like a cloud with an arrow or a button that says Get. If prompted, confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Now just wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, tap Open to launch Pinterest and start using the app. And that's it. Now you know how to download the Pinterest app on your iPhone quickly and easily. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.